Hey folks, another beautiful day in San Francisco. And you know, I've been thinking over the past 10 years that I've been teaching this advanced bodywork workshop, I've heard the same concerns and questions from bodyworkers throughout that time. And they were the same questions and concerns that I used to have as a bodyworker. You know, I used to think, yes, I'm giving a great relief to my clients, but I'm still running into roadblocks. I know that there's something missing, you know. I wasn't sure what it was, but I knew I needed to learn something, but I just wasn't sure what I needed to learn. And throughout all my time training, I learned really important things that really helped me to get my clients out of pain. And so what I want to share with you are these real 3 big things that you need to know in order to get your clients out of pain. All right? If you're ready, here we go. The first thing is that you really need to know how to palpate the tissue. So I'm not talking about rote techniques or strokes. That's great, but that's not the big thing. What you really need to know is how to palpate the tissue and how to feel for directional tension. The other thing you need to know is how to navigate your way around the cervical spine, to know what the spinous process is, to know where the transverse processes are, and to find that great, real juicy area called the lamina groove. And finally, probably one of the top things that you need to know in order to get people out of pain is you need to know the spinal mechanics. You need to know Freire's laws and understand spinal mechanics in order to pick up and assess dysfunction and help people get back into function. So those are the 3 big things. Once you integrate and combine all these things, then that is what's going to get you to this level of expert bodyworker. Once I was able to learn these things, my game totally catapulted. I went from being a pretty good bodyworker or even a great bodyworker to a real expert bodyworker and being able to get people out of pain. Now, if you want to get more juicy details on these 3 big major things that you need to know in order to get people out of neck pain, then click on the link that just showed up. It'll take you to a great and free resource where you can get all sorts of information, all the details that you need in order to get people out of neck pain and have it be more longer lasting. All right, folks, click on that link and I will see you in the next page. Okay, bye.